All right, right back at it. We'll splice this in. So, just guessing, went through this kind of list here. Let's get the light right. And I see down here, and yeah, like I said, once one electronic device doesn't work, none of the electronic devices work. So it's not going to focus, no matter what I do. So if I see this one 15 amp BC4 fuse, so I kind of counted down through here, it's 18, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth one up. So I went to the fifth one up and just pulled it to check continuity. But what I noticed was, and actually you can kind of, let me see if I can get down where you can see it. See how these are sticking up? They're not in the holders. So watch, I'm going to push this 10 down. Yeah, 15. Oh yeah. So I'm going to go ahead, yeah, look at that. So all these fuses are half out of the damn holder, and I've only checked that one. I'm not pulled all these other fuses. So I'm going to go ahead, and I had tapped down these relays hoping I could hear like a little click. But yeah, every one of these, I think these are just spares. Yeah, they're all loose or not in their holder. Not by a lot, but you can kind of see. Yeah, that's a good, see that? That's how much that's sticking out. So let's go ahead and push all these in. Of course, now I'll never know which one was the loose one, but who cares? I'm already frustrated, so dink, dink, dink. I don't like these small blade fuses. They're way too tiny. They give you a little hidden, let's see here. Yeah, they give you this baby, and it kind of rides in there. If you can use your chopstick fingers, get it out. It takes me a minute to get all that stuff out. So let's push all these in. Ooh, yeah, that one moved a lot. Big time, big time. Okay, you don't want to overdo it. They're just cheap plastic fuses. The other reason why I don't really like them, if you do try to, the test points are so minutely small on there, it's just ridiculous that you can't even get, you'd have to get like, you know, baby paper clips or something. So, okay, I feel like those are all in. Let's just take an amp. Yeah, it's taking about 5 amps. I think I got a better connection. I just hate that. I hate that charging spot there. That's I've got to get rid of that. And let's find the key, which is here. Let's hope the horn doesn't go off, because that's what's been happening lately in my life. No. Lock. No. Okay, so if I bring the key fob close to the door, I really just want to get the doors open at this point. I hear that clicking noise. It's like there's not enough voltage. Yeah, alright, well, so much for that. But I'm going to let this battery sit here and charge. I really don't think it's a battery voltage problem, but I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and check it while I've got the camera going and the extra meters laying here. I might be able to do it. Apologize, I've got the camera in one hand, and I may have to just scoot it like this. Let's see if I can do all three at once, because I'm kind of curious if I'm getting a bad connection, because the battery's in the back. So now I'm getting 13.7 volts. That's pretty high. Let's let this battery charge a little bit more. Maybe the battery's a little more dead than my initial checking. And what I can do is I can go through this and do a couple voltage checks to see how much of a drop I have. Or maybe, that's the thing, nothing's really turned on, so to find a voltage drop without anything turned on might be tricky. Very strange though, that's probably, most of it's because I haven't driven it about 4 weeks, and then when I try to, it's very frustrating. But I'll keep you posted. Thanks for looking.